Our evacuation process is now complete, and our screen is showing us that our leak test has passed. It's now time to proceed with recharging the system. Press any key to exit the leak test screen. Select Charge. Select Charge from our main menu. Then we can use the database to select the proper year, make, model in the vehicle to get the correct refrigerant charge amount. Select our year. (2001) 2001 is a Nissan. Pathfinder. Once it accesses the data, it will give us our 1.44 pounds of refrigerant, which is the appropriate amount to charge. We then select Continue. Select OK if the charge amount is acceptable. We can select the charge mode now, high side, low side, or both. If we're going to inject oil, you always want to select the high side. You'll remember we removed a ½ ounce of oil from the system during the recovery process, so we are going to inject that ½ ounce of oil back into the system. So we are going to select high side. Press the Start key, and then it asks Inject Oil. We'll select Yes for injecting oil. System checks to make sure we don't have excessive pressure in the system. Inject button on the left side. Press and hold while watching the oil level in the inject oil bottle on the left side of the unit. Press the button. Watch the oil drop down 1/2 ounce. Release the button and press the stop button to exit the oil inject, and the charge process has begun. Once the charge process is finished, we will clear the hoses, and once again, clearing the hoses is an important step in getting all the excess refrigerant out of the service hoses and making sure we've added the appropriate amount of refrigerant to the system.